Welcome to Cloud Big Data Technologies, a cloud hybrid group company. This is the world of ample opportunities and unbelievable fortune. Milestones of the journey. Let's start the journey to Club of CBD Technologies milestone. You are going to be one of the CBD millionaires. Open the web browser. Type www.cloudbig.com in address bar. This is CBD Technology website. Click on VMS portal login, visible on left top of website. This display ICR login page. Independent contract recruiter login page. Type username. Password. Given by CBD IT support team. And click login button. When ICR logins to his account, bench list account opens defaultly. On left side of the page ICR can see picture and name of ICR. In middle resource delivery manager name displayed. RDM also known as ICR. My profile. This show the ICR information and there you can see your profile, add your profile picture, edit your profile. Requisition account. When the ICR added some consultant details to CBD bench of VMS portal, then those consultant details will be visible to all the vendors. The vendors will request the ICR for specific consultant details resume. That vendor request will move to requisitions account. Bench list account. If independent contract recruiter having his own consultants, then the ICR can add those consultant details to CBD bench and VMS portal. Those consultant details will be forwarded to vendors. Those vendors will reach the ICR directly. C2C or 1099 account. If ICR having the requirement, then the ICR can post a new job to CBD bench and VMS portal. Those details will be forwarded to vendors. Resumes account. If the ICR has posted requirement, then the ICR can receive resumes regarding that requirement. The ICR can check all those replies in resumes account. Add bench list form was shown completely. Fill the form carefully. Star mark fields are important to fill. Domain exposure. The domains which the ICR had experienced or worked. These are all functional domains. ICR incentives. The ICR can calculate how much incentive going to be benefited. Input your expected C2C margin to CBD. On this consultant which will calculate the dependent field ICR C2C incentive automatically. Select from bill rate to consultant what you are willing to pay to the consultant. It will calculate the dependent field ICR bench sales incentive that you get on top of ICR C2C incentive. At the end, it shows your total ICR incentive, A plus B, in dollars and Indian rupee conversion. Last is to add the professional experience summary of consultant. Professional experience summary is more precise and as long as possible with all skills, tools and techs. Select I accept CBD terms and services. Click Submit button. If there any star mark field was empty, it will indicate to fill the star mark fields. After filling all fields, then click Submit button. ICR can see successfully submit message. My bench list can find all the consultant details which the ICR added to CBD bench. And view pending approvals. View. When the ICR added the consultant details, then ICR can view again the consultant details provided by this option. Edit. The ICR can edit the consultant's resume or any other details provided. Click Update after modification are completed. The consultant details submitted by the ICR will be pending for approval. Associate Vice President, AVP, for IT Support Services gives you approval. And ICR gets the approval message to the mailbox. After approval message arrived to ICR, click on My Bench List. Approved consultants. Once the Associate Vice President, AVP, for IT Support Services gives you approval, then the ICR can get immediate message to ICR's mailbox. Close. The ICR can close the consultant details. And closed consultant details are shown in Closed Bench List tab. ICR gets consultant details are closed successfully message. Closed bench list. The ICR can find their closed consultant details. The ICR can again submit the same consultant details make visible at My Bench List, and view all bench list provided by the option Reopen. ICR can see successfully reopened message. Click on My Bench List to view consultant details are reopened or not. Public Bench List. This shows consultants' information of ICRs posted. Here we can request the resume of consultant from ICR. Bench List portal is same as Public Bench List. It also shows information of consultants. Now get back to Public Bench List. Here we can see Request Resume tab. Request Resume is a tab where the vendor can go and request for the resume to the concerned person who posted the consultant details. Here we can see candidate overview details. Fill the star mark fields. Fill the requester name, mail ID, contact number, job title, client name, company name, and location of the job. They also will select the mode of interview from interview type, like telephonic, face-to-face, Skype, or combination. Prime vendor must either input the maximum bill rate or select from option, depend on experience and market. Fill the job description summary with candidate responsibilities with minimum 200 characters. Fill the form carefully and click Submit button. Requester can see Resume successfully requested message. The resume moves to requisition account.